Hello, Jungle Explorer here, and today I'm going to be talking about this external lapel microphone made by the SJCAM company. It's compatible with most of their SJCAM action cams, and I'm going to do a demonstration to let you see how it works. Now, the reason I bought this right here was because I have this SJCAM SJ7 Star camera, which produces amazing quality video. Unfortunately, it's got a really sensitive built-in microphone, and because of that, whenever it gets in any kind of a windy environment, the audio goes all to garbage. I mean, we're talking completely not usable at all. It just completely goes away, and sometimes I'll be talking, you can't even hear my voice. It just sounds like you're crunching, you know, somebody. Basically, you got corn pops in your mouth and you're crunching them. Or somebody's grinding, basically I'm grinding the microphone over sandpaper or something like that. It's just horrible sounding in the wind. So I thought, well, that's okay because it doesn't have any kind of wind filter or anything on here. I'm going to go ahead and buy this external mic for it so that, you know, it has this little foam on here that can fix that. One thing I need to tell you about the SJCAM products is they're not compatible with any other external mics. It does have a mini USB connection, and if you do have an SJCAM product, you might think, well, if all I've got to do is buy another external mic with a mini USB, nope. I don't know what SJCAM has done, but it's proprietary up in here, and even though it'll plug in, it will not recognize it and it will not work. It has to be their little microphone, and only their little microphone will work with their cameras. So if you're thinking about buying something else, and you're like, well, why would I think about buying something else since they've got one? Well, when you go to buy this on Amazon.com or in any other place, you're going to see that it has about a 2.5 out of 5-star reviewer rating. Today you're going to see why that is. Okay, so what I'm going to do here first is I'm going to go outside. I live out in the country and it's kind of windy outside, so I'm going to shoot some footage without the mic so that you can tell what the camera sounds like without the mic. Then I'll take the mic out there itself and I'll let you see how that works. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm going to film here without the mic attached. This is just the built-in mic on the camera, and I'm walking out into the wind here. You're hearing the wind interference here. It's probably a 6 to 7 mile an hour wind here, maybe 9. I don't think it'll reach 10 miles an hour. Pretty normal around here where I live. It's pretty much this kind of wind every day. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but just letting you hear what the wind does to this mic. Hopefully you can hear a little bit. I'm going to walk back over here into the protection of the building, and got a bunch of junk and a lot of weeds to mow. Okay, now I have the little mic connected here so you can see it, and I'm talking outside here, and we've got a little wind going on, and I don't know if you can hear me or not, or if it's cutting in or out, but you know, it's kind of windy out here. Generally, I wouldn't say it'd be up to 10 miles an hour, but definitely not 30 or 40. So anyways, I'm walking back into the cover of the building here, and so now you can probably hear me just fine. So that kind of gives you an idea of what this mic does in the wind, and it's just basically the audio is not usable when there's any wind at all for this mic. I'm going to continue to talk here. I don't know if you can hear me, but just continue to talk here. Alright, so I'm going to go back inside, and I'll talk in there. Okay, somebody suggested that this foam cover that the mic came with might not be that good, so I should get one of these little furry little covers. They call them a dead cat or something like that. And so I bought one of those, best one I could find, highest review. The lapel mic here is just a little bit bigger than normal, so it was kind of hard to stretch it over it, but I eventually got it on. And so I'm going to take it outside and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, I'm out here with the little dead fur thing on, or with the dead cat or furry little fuzzy wind filter on. I don't know what they're called, but anyways, I hope you can hear me. See, in my first test, it didn't do a whole lot. The wind's actually died down a little bit. You can look at the grass there; it's not really blowing that much, so you can probably hear me. I'll wait till a gust of wind comes by here. Kind of back where it was when I was out here with the original one that came on it. Just waiting for the wind to pick up a little bit. There we go. So you can kind of see how it's doing. It's about a 3-4 mile an hour wind right now. It's getting up there. So, you know, hopefully you can hear what I'm saying, and I'll head back inside. Okay, so you saw how it did with the fur. The wind wasn't quite as strong as it was, but you see how it just basically my voice drowns out. Actually, it does better without this external mic. The internal mic actually does a little bit better job than the external mic with the wind filtration. So, but neither one of them are acceptable for any kind of a good quality video. And so, you know, I just wanted you to, I'm going to pull this off here. All right. So, you know, there's the little mic there, the original cover that came on it. It's not worth anything. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I would listen to the other reviews, pay attention to how low a star rating it has. Unfortunately, if you need an external mic for any reason, this is the only one that you can buy that works with the SJCAM products. So anyways, that's all you need to know about this. I've given you the information to judge it by, and hopefully you can make your decision. Unfortunately, you don't have much choices. This is the only one that works with your SJCAM cameras, so it's what you got to use, but it's not really worth much. So as always, all the products used in the creation of this video will be down below the video in the description area. Just click on the show more. You can find product links there, and I hope this video has been useful to you. So please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, the Jungle Explorer signing out.